in the same spot though.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Flag grab at 5 miles for respawn. Score is 0-0. Flag coming out at 30 seconds.
Hit.
Flag is coming out in 10 seconds.
God, they are trigger happy today.
Yeah, they're up top, man.
Wait,
Up top?
wait, they're up top?
Flag is coming out.
Which side's the flag on? Non-armband, shift to left side.
Ground floor only, guys. It's ground floor only. Just a reminder. Another flag coming out in 1 minute. There's one flag on the field by far, if you can grab it.
Hey, buddy, where's the flag?
It's like right over here, like right. But I can't because the cover.
By the bar, PAR. I will not be calling out every flag, so you guys keep an eye on that. Flag coming out. Less than a minute. 40 seconds.
Sorry.
I'm gonna come up here and up the side.
Fuck my life. Can you see them from there? Can you see what's going on?
It's right here.
You guys got it for me?
Flag coming out.
Oh, he's right there.
Hit.
Another flag is out. There's 2 flags off the field. 2 flags off the field.
Where's our first flag?
There's a guy outside of bar on the other side of this.
I'm gonna stand for that flag. It's right around the corner.
Okay, let me try and lay down some cover, but let me get up there. I'm fucking winded already.
They literally just laying on fire from like right across from the window.
Well, let me try.
Flag coming out in
Right there.
2 minutes.
Nice! We got it!
Flag coming out in 1 minute. There's still at least 1 flag on the field.
Ace, what do we got? What do we got?
No visual.
Another flag coming out.
Where is it? Flag by bar! Flag by bar! It's past bar! Coming through. Where is it? I think it's on the other side of this wall.
12 minutes left. Sorry, 12 minutes left.
Ah, hit.
There's a flag coming out in 1 minute.
I was right there.
Down the center.
Flag on non-armband right side. Hey guys, when I saw it was just behind this wall. It was right here, right here. It was right around, like just around the corner. Try and go for it. I don't know if it's still there. It's right there, I can see it, right there. Hit, hit, hit. Woo!
Flag coming up.
Was that you that grabbed it? What? Was that you that grabbed it?
Yeah.
Dude, good job.
Thank you. Thanks.
Took one for the team, but it kept their heads down for enough. Holy shit, that worked.
Too much running. Oh, okay.
Nice! Ow.
Flag coming out. Another flag is coming out.
Non-armband, right side flag! Non-armband, right side flag by car! Non-armband, right side flag by car! Go, go, go! Right side flag by car!
Five minutes left, 5 minutes. Flag coming out, another flag coming out in 1 minute.
Where is it? Oh, it's
This
on the
does
thing.
mean you can steal flags from the enemy base if you can get there.
Give me a second, I just gotta get ready for covering. Okay. Give me a second. Let me go in front, you come from behind, right?
Yeah.
Flag is coming out here.
Hit! Oh. They can steal flags now. They can steal flags now. I need a moment to breathe.
Another flag coming out. There are 3 minutes left. 3 minutes.
This is my first play. I'm getting tired of this.
Flag on right side! Non-armband right side! Non-armband right side! Oh shit.
Friendly fire.
Did I friendly fire?
Last flag coming out.
Shit, sorry. Ow, fuck, I just ripped my pants! Fuck! I just... How bad is it?
Yeah, she's pretty bad.
Ah.
Right down the middle.
Ah.
So sorry, man.
Rip.
You can't see the standing. But I have a feeling if you lunge, it'll split.
Ace. Look at my...
Take a step forward.
On the other hand, it's a lot more airy down there suddenly.
For a second, I thought that dude hit me. I was like,